Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 25, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Column B, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 4th row and 5th row, we have 4 and 6. 7th row also we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, and 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column B, 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and 8th row, column E, column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, column H, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, column J, we have 4. 4th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th grade and 6th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. First grade and second grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third grade and 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row and 9th row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then second row, third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 1. Column G also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. then 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column G, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 3. 5th grade, we already have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 5th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column G, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we already 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column J, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H and 2nd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 3rd row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 2nd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. Column J, column E, we already have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, the 9 is confirmed here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 9th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. The 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.